Hello and welcome back to Optelic Crypto. Today we're going to be having a look into Digibyte. We've had quite a significant, a huge rise over the last 6 weeks now. It kind of pulled back a little bit, then it's just shot back up to 300 sats recently. So we'll have a look into why it's pumped, and then have a look at a few fundamentals of Digibyte, and then we'll have a look at a bit of news and potential entry prices and price predictions going forward. So make sure you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. So starting off, let's have a look at the Digibyte website. So what is Digibyte? Digibyte is more than a faster digital currency. It is an innovative blockchain that can be used for digital assets, smart contracts, decentralized applications and secure authentication. If you look there to the right, that is the homepage of the actual digital wallet app. I've used that several times before. It's quite a good app. Initially it does take a while to sync up to the blockchain, but that's a given with every wallet that you start up with in crypto nowadays. Moving down, what makes it stronger than others? Digibyte is a rapidly growing open source blockchain created in late 2013 and released in early 2014. After 6 years of forward-thinking development, Digibyte has become one of the fastest, safest, longest and most decentralized UTXO blockchain in existence. And that is a key factor. 6 years. You get a lot of projects nowadays that come onto the scene and try to be the bee's knees after a year or so. It takes a while to get established in this industry, and that's one of the great points about Digibyte, and the fact that it's got a huge community. Digibyte is truly decentralized. Digibyte has never been funded through an ICO or a significant amount of pre-mined coins. That is a massive thing recently. Over the last couple of years, ICOs have been hit pretty hard, and a lot of people are getting burned on the initial investment, so it's great to know that nobody got burnt in the beginning and the creation of Digibyte. There's no CEO or the company controlling the Digibyte blockchain. It is a volunteer-based and global community-driven project, and that simply works the same way as Bitcoin was formed. So it's more secure. Digibyte uses 5 cryptographic algorithms and real-time difficulty adjustment to prevent malicious mining, centralization, and hash power fluctuation. One of which is the Crypt that changes itself every 10 days for ASIC resistance. I think ASIC resistance is going to be a key point going forward as well, because we do hear about it all the time in this space, of people talking about ASIC resistance and the computer power, see if it can crack that chain. But it is much faster. The Digibyte blockchain occurs every 15 seconds, which is 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than Litecoin. And it's also forward thinking, so over the past 6 years Digibyte has repeatedly set itself apart with multiple blockchain firsts such as DigiShield Guard, multi-algo mining and SegWit implementation. Moving over to the community side of the coin, this is one of the main aspects of Digibyte. It has a Digibyte Foundation, which is pretty much the running of the project without having any hierarchy as such. So the Digibyte Foundation is a volunteer managed organisation that operates in a non-profit way. They protect and promote the true principles of decentralization and empower Digibyte and its community to establish and maintain a sustainable decentralized world. That's quite cool. So social media, we're on every single platform you can think of. They're all over. Even I joined a new platform over there called Uptrend, and they're all over that, and the community is close to second to none. So like we say, the Telegram groups, that's a great platform for Digibyte and their community. We have several channels. We have these ones shown here, but if you go into the main discussion channel, you can see a huge list of different languages. They have price talk, of the ones that you would think of. And then scrolling down, Digibyte has a wiki. You can log into that and meet the creator of Digibyte. So Javid Tate is a founder and creator of Digibyte blockchain. Javid has dedicated full-time development towards Digibyte since October 2013. That's great to know that the originator is still with the project. He has been invited by MIT, Harvard and the US Capitol to speak on blockchain tech. He's also the co-author of the book Blockchain 2035, The Digital DNA of Internet 3.0, which is the first book written by a blockchain founder. So let's take a look at CoinMarketCap and see how Digibyte is doing over here. So ranked 32 out of all cryptocurrencies, a max supply of 21 billion and a market cap of $304 million. Moving on to the market, which is getting the most volume. So OKX against the USDT pair is getting the most volume out of all exchanges. What I'm mainly looking at is number 7, Qcoin. That's what I trade it on. That's currently getting 3.17% of all volume for Digibyte. Moving down to the stats, I just want to go over quickly the all-time high there of 14 cent. That was back in the beginning of 2018. That was towards, well, that was a period when the top at least 30 or 40 coins hit all-time highs, and then ever since it's been a shitstorm ever since. So yeah, an all-time lows then right at the beginning. That's when it was created near enough. So it's going to be all-time lows. Look at the distance that's gone from there to. I'd love to see that on a percentage. But next, let's have a move over to the charts. So looking at the charts, you can see just from the visual of the climb that we've had how high it's been, and we've not really had much pullback. So let's have a look at some terms and some stats of what's been going on. So if we look at let's first of all have a look at a date range. So we'll take that there, it's around the 13th of March when it started. It had a drop, but then it's carried on ever since. We'll take that to the wick that we receive every day, up to 300 sats. That's been 54 days, so it's coming up to 2 months now. And then put that into price. Get at the bottom there. Take it all the way up. So if you bought on towards the beginning of March, 12th, 13th of March, and you sold it when it peaked at the top on the 6th of May, what day are we on now? It's the 7th, so yeah, yesterday, that would have been a 953% price raise. I mean, it's not finished yet. We are on a slight retracement at a minute. Let's just get rid of that. I'm using a 4-hour time frame here. It seems a little bit better for what I'm using. If we take a Fibonacci and just let's have a look at some potential levels we could buy back in at. Let's just drop that on the 618. So there's some levels that we could look to get into. I mean, it dropped back down to the 618, and that were around 126 sats it was. As I said in previous videos, I ladded some buys in, so I did get back into Digibyte. Where was we now? Are we back? Sorry, I bought some back down here, yeah. But around 133 to 134 I bought back in. So last time I made a video, Digibyte hit up to 200 and, let's just go into the BTC chart. Yeah, 220 sats last time I had a look, so we'll stay on this chart for now. Last time I set a Fibonacci up, and I just had a look at some key levels that we could buy. I targeted around 135. It dropped further. It dropped down to 126, I believe, and then it's took off again. Quite crazy. It just keeps taking off. But that shows the power of community. So I'm back in, and I've not sold yet. I watched it go to. I missed the top. I didn't think it was going to go back further up, so I'm still holding. It's 255 sats at the minute. I mean, that's still a great price. I'm probably going to potentially think about selling soon, so I can hopefully get back in again cheaper. So I make a fair bit off that. But if we just have a look at what potentially we could get for a price. So in no way do I think Digibyte is going to go down, and I love this community, and I think it's going to be one for the future, and it's going to move up further up the CoinMarketCap listing. But with everything that's going on at in the minute with COVID-19, the economic uncertainty, I think Bitcoin is going to have a big drop soon, as well as the Dow Jones and the stock market, etc. So with that, other cryptocurrencies may follow. If we get a huge drop from Bitcoin, then others might drop as well. So I'm going to look and try and sell around my sold if we bounce back off a 259 area, and then I'm going to try and get some orders back in towards down this level, and potentially again try and buy in at 130, watch it coming down. If it starts to move down a lot harder, then I'll move and buy orders further down. But yeah, that's just a quick talk about Digibyte today and potential price rise, price to target on a re-entry. So thanks for listening, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, and I'll catch you next time. See you later, guys.